Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see what we are going to see today. Connect with the server community. How does this work? Sign up absolutely free. You have to just go to the website and sign up here. Every day answer this poll and study. There are lots of surveys, like hundreds of surveys every day, and they are all genuine and trustworthy. And once you answer them, your money is credited to your account. Pocket your money and use yourself a survey. So this is very great opportunity for students, housewives or retired persons who want to earn an extra income or a part-time income. This can be done from any part of the country or any part of the world. You can be seated anywhere in your home and you can easily earn money very from this website. Let's see the website. Go to my blog day to day reads. Go to my blog daytodayreads.com and go to work from home and scroll down. And you will see there are a lot of articles which I have written, and the links for those for applying are given inside the article. Press this one. Gateway to earning online through surveys in 2024. You are going to work from home, and for one survey they are paying up to 633 rupees, and there is on-spot earning and no interview, and anyone can apply. The only condition they are having is you should be 18 years of age. Let's see how to apply for this. Scroll down the article and you can see that I have given the article and all the details about the website is given and the platform is given, so you can easily go through them. Click join here. This is the website, guys, and are having estimate. They are giving here. You can see few questions which you have to answer today. How much would you like to earn each day? So you can answer accordingly. Please enter your personal information. You have to give your last name, first name, email, password, country, and date of birth. Then press continue. Once you have given all the details, this page will open. Just press agree. So you are seconds away from starting to earn money. You are seconds away from starting to earn money. To be able to start earning through paid surveys, please complete your survey. So I complete my profile. So first you have to give your profile details like your email address, your name, your address, your zip code, your country, your gender, and you can change your password if it's required, and your city, and just click save my information. So you can just click this save my information. Here you can see, have you considered enable survey of web alerts, receive a bonus of 4,000 upon activation. You can give do not activate or enable web alerts. If you give enable web alerts, whenever there is a new survey, you will be alerted and you are given a bonus also. So you can do this according to your wish. If you have completed your information, click dashboard, and you can see this will be your whatever you are going to earn, it will be given here, and the money once you have earned 1900, you can withdraw the amount. Surveys, whatever surveys are completed, you can check this chart. So these are the surveys, guys. So you can see for this survey they are giving 10 rupees 58 paise and it takes 13 minutes. For this there is 10 rupees 97 paise and 19 minutes. There are like this. You can see a lot of surveys are here. See, there are also a few highly rated surveys and which are giving more money, like 211, 400 rupees. So there are many surveys which keeps on coming, and you can just answer surveys how much ever you needed. So once you answer this survey, the amount will be credited to your account. That's all, guys. This is a very easy thing. And here you can see the latest winners. So who are all win and who are all earn the gift cards they are given. If you press money withdrawal, you can see that the minimum amount withdrawal is 1900 rupees. So once you have attained this 1900 rupees, you can withdraw the amount. Here the various varieties in which you can withdraw amount is given, like there is PayPal, there is Amazon voucher, Amazon Pay, Ajio, Big Basket, so Flipkart, so many things are there. So you can withdraw accordingly whichever you want to withdraw. So let's go to the surveys. So let's just click on this. So there are a lot of questions here, so you can keep on answering. As I said, this is, you can be from India or not from India, you can answer this survey. So like this, you can say start the survey and the survey will start immediately. So they are asking a few simple questions, just keep on answering. So they are asking simple questions only, like date of birth, what is your postal code, etc. Because they are asking these questions so that very relevant answers will be questions will be asked to you. See what are the languages you want to speak. You can give, and what is your education. See, now I started the surveys. So this is in Hindi, but you can translate the page also in whichever language you require. The survey is opening. So you can just keep on answering this, and the survey will continue for next 5 minutes. So friends, so this is a very great site, and the amount is also very good. If you are regularly answering the surveys, up to 19,000 per month you can earn. Thank you.